GRDC. I'm here to see Mr. Anderson. Yes. You can see a display that's the long heritage of racing. We know what Anderson Auto, Andre Anderson, the fastest built circuit car in Jamaica. At the home of it, built here, a father and son team, Martin Anderson, Freddie Anderson, Andre Anderson. This is one of my favorite builds. Andre, his car is together. His car will be ready. So we're looking forward for this monster to come back. Big up Andre and the team. I know you've been away because of COVID. The upgrades are here. We see it, and we want to see you and your boss out there. Dover will be on fire. April 10th. Come out. The Andersons are ready.
Merging with the Lancer and the Evolution together, and by doing that we achieve pretty much a lighter effort.
This is the famous Tier 1 piloted by David Sommel Jr. This car was built by Amos. Now, with here in Jamaica, it was a multiple championship car. This is after the accident with Doug Ward at Jammers. This car was sold to Anderson, and they did some upgrades, a lot of upgrades. This is what TA1 was, and this is the Anderson.
Hold on, before we show them what is the new, let's take a good look for those who been wondering.
This is the total, it's a real deal.
Alright, so people been asking, where is this car? Well,
the car's right here.
It's right here.
Still in Jamaica.
Alright.
All the rumors.
Show us version 2 now.
We're gonna show version 4. Built here in Jamaica. The father and son team and crew. Freddie Anderson, the engineer. Been a Mitsubishi legend for years. We used to race together. Now, this is the new Jamaican spec. Mr. Anderson,
Yeah, man.
We're here today from the GRDC to welcome back the Andersons back to Dover. You know the Andersons synonymous from your time, from our time.
Yeah, man.
With your team,
Right.
with the Moody's. Now Andre have done so much with the Mavic, then in the future ever.
Definitely.
The fastest Jamaican built car is built by this man.
Yeah, man.
Evolution. Now you're bringing the generation two out.
Yeah.
We want to come out and see you come and do your shakedown for this meet.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And Martin will be on the island next week.
Right.
When he comes, you get the finished product. We'll be back here to follow up. Jamaica, look out. The baddest Mitsubishi will be back at Dover.
No problem.
TS2.
Alright, so this is just a sneak peek.
Yeah,
Sneak peek.
yes, definitely.
April 10th. Come
Dover.
see the debut. Dover Raceway.
Don't miss it.
It will be epic. Boom. We want the car. April 10th. It is part of the Anderson team.
Yeah, man.
One of the crew manager and the team and everybody.
Yes.
The late night start today, yes sir?
Yeah, man.
We want the car ready.
Night and day we have it.
April 10.
April 10.
Alright.
Man, we'll be the car. We want the car.
Tiger, come in.
We want the car ready for Wednesday, yes sir?
Alright, we have to try for work for Wednesday.
We're coming
Yeah,
back.
man.
So the late night start today.
Alright, sir.
Yeah,
Late
I'm
night
gonna go, man.
start
Take care of the
today.
eating.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Go on, Anderson to the man.
Alright, sir.
Right? Pascal? Coming to Dover? Let's go.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.